Wonderful 3-bedroom, 2-full-bath ranch-style home in Belfonte Subdivision. This inviting home has beautiful hardwood floors that were originally installed by Crispin Flooring. The large family room features hardwood flooring along with a gas log fireplace and patio doors that lead out to the brick paver patio plus privacy fenced backyard. Upon walking into the roomy master bedroom, you will see the walk-in closet and a full private bathroom with a large standalone shower. For your meals, you can enjoy the eat-in kitchen, offering plenty of lovely cabinets along with stainless steel appliances, or choose to use the formal dining room. Updates include new oven 2021, water softener 2021, water heater 2021, newer vinyl windows 2018, and newer roof 2013.